Hey, have you ever used a computer every day but still have no idea how it actually works inside? You click, you type, you watch videos, but behind all of that, there is a system doing something powerful in milliseconds. And today, you will finally understand it. In this video, you are going to learn the absolute basics of a computer, what it is, how it works, and why every programmer in the world starts from the same foundation. If you don't understand this lesson clearly, everything later coding, web development, AI will feel confusing. But if you understand it, everything becomes simple. Let's get started. First, what is computer? A computer is not magic. A computer is an electronic machine that takes input data, processes it, produces output result, and stores information. So simply, computer is a machine that converts data into useful information. That's it. Nothing more complicated at the core. Second, main parts of a computer. To understand how a computer works, you need to know its four main parts. First, input. This is how you give data to the computer. Examples: keyboard for typing, mouse for clicking, and microphone for voice. Without input, the computer has nothing to work on. Second, CPU, central processing unit. This is the brain of the computer. Everything you do goes here: calculations, decisions, and processing instructions. In general, no CPU equals no thinking power. Third, output. This is how the computer shows results to you. For examples: monitor used for screen display, speakers used for sound, and printer for paper output. It's the result of processing. The fourth, storage. This is where data is saved. There are two types of storage. First, temporary storage, which is RAM, and it stands for random access memory. RAM is the computer's temporary working memory that stores data that the CPU is currently using so the computer can work fast. And the second is permanent storage, which is either SSD or HDD. SSD stands for solid state drive. An SSD is a type of storage device used in computers and laptops to store data, like the operating system, applications, and files. And HDD stands for hard disk drive. It is a traditional storage device used in computers to store Windows or Linux operating system, applications, and videos, photos, games, and files. Without storage, nothing can be saved for later use. Here's the easiest way to understand it. Imagine in a restaurant. The customer gives an order. That's input. The chef cooks the food. That's CPU processing. The kitchen stores ingredients. That's storage. The waiter delivers the food. That's output. So a computer follows the exact same system. So now, you understand the real foundation of how a computer works. It is not complicated, not magic, just a powerful system built on input, processing, output, and storage. And in the next video, we're going deeper into the most important part of the computer, which is the CPU, the brain that controls everything. We will see how does it actually process instructions. Why does CPU speed matter? And what really happens when you open an app or run a game? We'll break it down step by step. So subscribe, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next lesson.